Welcome to Complex to Easy Conversation.
Hey, Jamie. How's it going?
Hey, Alex. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good too. Actually, I was wondering if you'd like to grab dinner together tonight. It's been a while since we hung out properly.
That sounds awesome. Where are you thinking of going?
I was thinking of that new Italian place downtown. I heard their pasta is amazing.
Oh, I love Italian food. That's a great choice. What time are you thinking?
Maybe around 7 p.m.? That way we have enough time to relax and catch up.
Perfect. I'll meet you there at 7. It'll be nice to have a chill evening with good food and even better company.
Exactly. I always have a great time hanging out with you.
Same here, Alex. Honestly, I really appreciate our friendship.
Me too, Jamie. Friends like you make life so much better.
Couldn't agree more. See you at 7 then.
See you soon, buddy.
Later at the restaurant.
Wow, this place has such a cozy vibe. I love the lighting and the decor.
Yeah, it feels warm and inviting. And the smell of fresh garlic bread? Absolutely amazing.
Speaking of which, should we start with some garlic bread and maybe a soup?
Great idea. And for the main course, I'm thinking of trying their signature Alfredo pasta. What about you?
That sounds delicious. I think I'll go for the classic margherita pizza.
Nice choice. Oh, and let's not forget dessert. I heard their tiramisu is to die for.
Tiramisu? Say no more. We are definitely getting that.
The food arrives and they enjoy their meal, chatting and laughing along the way. This pasta is incredible, so creamy and flavorful.
And this pizza? So fresh and cheesy. I could eat this every day.
Haha, same. I'm really glad we decided to do this. It's nice to take a break from everything and just enjoy good food with good company.
Yeah, life gets busy, but moments like these remind me how important friendships are.
After finishing their meal and dessert,
That was one of the best meals I've had in a while. Should we go for a short walk before heading home?
That sounds perfect. The weather is nice, and a little walk will help us digest all that food.
they step outside and start walking down the street, enjoying the cool breeze and city lights.
Sometimes it's the simple things like this that mean the most.
Absolutely. It's not always about big plans. Just being around good friends makes everything better.
Couldn't have said it better myself. We should make this a regular thing.
Agreed. No matter how busy life gets, let's always find time for these moments.
Deal. So, same time next week.
Haha, you bet. Wouldn't miss it for the world.
They laugh and continue their walk, feeling grateful for their friendship.
Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.